Hi guys, I am Poonam and welcome back to your channel All That I Wonder. Today's video is all about Amazon beauty haul. I have purchased some beauty products from Amazon, and I'm going to discuss them with you all. I'm going to show you what all I have purchased. So this is a beauty haul from Amazon. So if you are looking for any beauty product right now, this video is for you because I'm going to share a lot of beauty products that I have purchased. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first product that I have purchased is a foundation stick. This one is from Sugar. This is their Ace of Foundation stick and I have purchased it in the shade 40 Brave. I'm currently wearing this shade. I think it is a quite nice match for my skin tone. But I think it's a little bit towards orange side. I might have purchased one shade lighter than this, but still after wearing the entire makeup, I think it looks pretty good. And this is so nicely blendable on the skin. It also gives such a beautiful finish. On one side it has foundation stick and on the other side it comes with a brush. This is how the foundation stick looks like, and I'm going to swatch the shade for you. This is the shade and it's super smooth and it blends really nicely on the skin. And on the second side of the tube it comes with a brush. So if you are in a hurry sometime, then you can go ahead and use this brush for blending. And I think it works pretty nice in blending the foundation. Let me show you. As you can see, I have blended the foundation using the brush that the foundation comes with, and it's really nice that they have given a brush on one side, because if sometime you are in a hurry and you don't really have time to go and look up for all the brushes, then you can use this brush and blend your foundation easily. So if you are somewhere near to my skin tone, then you can go ahead and purchase this one. Next product that I have purchased is also again from Sugar. This one is their Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. And I have purchased it in the shade 40 Brief, again the same shade. I really like this concealer very much. I'm wearing this same concealer today as well to show you how it actually looks. So it's not a brightening concealer, but it is matching my skin tone pretty well. So I think it covers up the under eye area really well. And I like the packaging. It's quite sturdy and sleek. The packaging is beautiful. It comes with a doe foot applicator, standard, how the standard concealer generally comes, and fits really well. It's very handy. You can easily carry it in your purse. I'm really happy with the concealer. I was actually looking for a nice concealer and then I found out this one from Sugar. I really like the product. It blends really nicely and also covers the under eye area and the blemishes really well. The next beauty product that I have purchased from Amazon is a eyeshadow palette. This one is from Wet n Wild and it's in the shade Stop Playing Safe. Again, I have used this today. I have used the pink shade as a blush and also the brown shade to contour my face, and also I've used the brown shade itself on my eyelid area. I think it's a really nice palette. Again, the MRP will be mentioned on the screen and the discounted price and everything. Let me quickly show you the shades. The shades are really beautiful. It has some basic shades for transition, and these basic shades you can see. And if you want to go bold and play with the colors, it also has some bold colors to play with it. And it also has a couple of golden colors that I can use as an highlighter also. The eyeshadow palette is really very pigmented. Let me just show you single swipe of the shades. It's pretty pigmented. These are all just the single swipes of all the shades. I had heard a lot about this eyeshadow palette. It's available in a lot of variety of shades, so you can go ahead and buy the one which you like. The next product is a makeup fixer. This one is from Swiss Beauty. It is with aloe vera and vitamin E. I have used this one also on my face today. It has a little bit of fragrance to it because it pumps up really big drops from the packaging. So I cannot go ahead and pump it directly on the skin. I will have to use a makeup brush or a sponge, spray it on that and then press the sponge on the face. So that's the thing about this makeup fixer. Otherwise I think it gives a really nice and dewy finish. The next product is again from Sugar. This one is their brow definer. It's Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Jerry Brown. It comes with a spoolie on one side, and on the other side it has this slanted kind of packaging, and the pencil is also quite slanted, and the shade is really nice. It suits well for my brows. It's a brown kind of a shade. I don't really like black or really dark shades for my brows. I like brownish shades, so this one is a really nice match for my eyebrows. I have used it today for filling my brows, and it fills the brows very well, and the spoolie combs the brows very well. So I like the product very much. The next product is again from Swiss Beauty. This one is their eyeliner. I really like the packaging of the eyeliner. It's a beautiful and chic and sleek packaging, and the tip of the liner is quite sturdy. Let me apply you and show it to you. If you're someone who is new to makeup, then this is a nice liner for you because it's quite reasonable also, and the tip, the wand is really beautiful and it's quite sturdy. So it's very easy to apply your liner when the wand is quite sturdy. This is how the eyeliner looks like after application. It's quite jet black, and it also settles down to beautiful dark matte black finish once it dries up. So that's it. These were all the products that I've purchased from Amazon. This was my Amazon beauty haul. All the details will be given in the description box below, so make sure to check the description box. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you like my videos. It will really mean a lot to me, and press the bell icon. And also follow me on my Instagram account. My Instagram handle is All That I Wonder. So do let me know if you have used any of these products. What are your views and opinion on these products? That's it for today's video from my side. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you all take care, love yourself and be happy. Bye.